If you often use the arrow keys to move cell selection in Excel and have noticed that they are not working as they should, then this video is for you. Note that I have a simple spreadsheet open in Excel, and when I use the arrow keys to navigate between cells, instead of Excel selecting the cell, it ends up scrolling the spreadsheet sideways or up and down. The case of this problem is that you may have enabled the scroll lock command on your keyboard without realizing it. So if you see the scroll lock button on your keyboard, just press it once to disable this option. But if you can't find this button on your physical keyboard, just open the virtual keyboard on your computer. With the virtual keyboard open, just uncheck the scroll lock button and close it. Then, just test again. You notice that now, when I use the arrow keys, I can navigate between cells normally. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you also like the next video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!